It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm in my bathroom right now, going to get ready for the day. Today I'm going to be doing what I eat in a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, first off, I'm going to be making some coffee. This is the coffee that I am going to be using. And then when that is done, I'll fix me some coffee with some sugar and milk. I'm not a big fan of breakfast. I don't eat breakfast that much. If I do eat breakfast, it's just a little bit of something. Oat plate, original strawberry banana yogurt. And I also like the Yoplait whips, the key lime. That one is so good. It's 8 in the morning, so this should be enough until I eat lunch. It's 11 o'clock, it's lunchtime, so now I'm going to be fixing chicken salad. So I have a piece of chicken left over from dinner yesterday, so I will put that on the stove. Take that in there. Let it out. And then a pure leaf sweet tea. I love this tea. It's really, really good. Okay, my chicken is done. Now I'm just going to cut it into slices. Now my lettuce. Gonna tear it apart because there's some big bites. Now let's add the chicken. Now the croutons. Bacon bits, dressing. Now some Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, I got some ice and a straw for my sweet tea. And that is really good. Have a little snack before supper. I'm going to have one of these strawberry Nutri-Grain bars. And I'm also going to have one of these waters. Okay, I am cooking spaghetti for supper. So I already done put the meat in here. Now I'm just going to add my noodles. I ran out of the spaghetti noodles, so I am just going to be using these, which is just as good. So that should be enough, and we'll just let that boil. I'm going to be making homemade meatballs. I'm going to be using garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. Okay, just put the seasoning in. Garlic. Don't want to put too much garlic in it. Then the Italian seasoning. I'm going to put quite a bit in here. Mix everything together. I have to check on my meat. check on my noodles. You don't want to get them completely done. They need a few more minutes. Okay, now I'm going to put the oven on 350 so I can do our homemade garlic bread. Yes, I don't like my meatballs big, so I'm just gonna grab probably about this much. All you gotta do is I just roll it up against the pot, and that's about the size. My noodles are done. Hamburger meat is almost done. A little vegetable oil. Fix the garlic bread. I have some French baguette. Probably just cut it this length. Now I'm just going to cut the rest of it. Now I am just going to get some butter. Then the first one, I'm just going to spread it on. There we go. And then I'm going to cut the garlic and the Italian seasoning. And place it on the pan. Now I'm just going to finish doing the rest of them. Alright, here we go. The garlic bread is all finished. So we'll put that in the oven. And it will not take that long to cook either. So you just have to keep an eye out on them so they don't burn and get too crispy you can't eat them. My hamburger meat is done. My meatballs are still cooking, and my noodles are done. So I am going to drain them. Okay, then I'm just going to put them in my meat. I might not use all of them either. My spaghetti sauce out. I'm using the ragu, tomato, garlic, and onion. And pour that in there. And then mix it all up. My meatballs are done. Now I'm just going to mix them in with the spaghetti. Check on our garlic bread. A plate. Some garlic bread. Parmesan cheese as well on top. Drinking a Dr. Pepper. It is almost 8:30. I'm going to have one of these Chex Mix Muddy Buddies peanut butter and chocolate. These are so good. Now I could eat the whole bag. Now I'm just going to finish up my snack. I'm going to lay on the couch and watch some TV before I go to bed. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye.